Managing plugins and agents on managed and BYO devices needs to be simple. The Citrix Workspace app and the Citrix Global App Configuration Service offer plugin management to simplify this process. Administrators can use the Global App Configuration Service feature to manage and specify both the Citrix-owned and third-party agents required on end-user devices, such as the Citrix Secure Access and Endpoint Analysis Agent, the WebEx VDI Plugin Manager, and the Zoom VDI Plugin Manager for both storefront and cloud stores. Based on configuration, the Citrix Workspace app then downloads the agent or plugin packages through the Auto Update service. If a plugin such as the Citrix Endpoint Analysis Agent is not installed, the Citrix Workspace app triggers the installation of the agent, whereas if the agent is installed, an update, if required, is triggered. With the Citrix Global App Configuration Service, agent, and plugin management capability, the Citrix Workspace app can become a single client app on the endpoint for installing and managing plugins and agents.